Yeah, welcome back to the channel. I'm just out doing some service work and at the Lexus RX400 hybrid. Change some air filter and clean. Sorry about all the noise. I change some air filter and clean the MAF sensor. I'm going to change oil later and have oil filter. But now I'm just going to jump in and see if I can change the filter for inside the car, for the air, kupefilter. To be honest, I have not been out checking any video about how to do it, because I'm quite sure that it have to be behind here. Typical Toyota or Lexus, of course it's the same brand, is that the filter is behind here, and I don't believe they have done anything different on this car. I'm quite sure it have to be here. What I have to do then is clean out the things that's inside here. Also the dust I see. Let me just find out how this is hanging on. Up here is supposed to be two lockers, because yeah, it have to be two like this, but I'll hold up my knee and see. Here is some system up here. I have been able to show you guys, but just turn this one around and it's supposed to come out. When I was cleaning out here, I see one like this. That's guaranteed supposed to be on the other side. So this is just a little tight to get it out. If I had a flat screwdriver, taking it out with that. You see here? There. Normally I had to take out the whole system and remove it to get into it, but here it's just up here. So you just have to see how those brackets are holding. It seems just like that. Just okay. Here what I was believing. Filled up with things. Quite normal. Nothing wrong on this one. This filter is not ruined. I'm not far away from the worst I've been seeing, but I'm going to change it. Put a new filter. Seems like you should be in this direction. Doesn't sound anything on up and down, but as you see, this rubbery supposed to be there. Could even go there. But since this one was this way, I just put it in. Just bend away the old one. Take it off. There. Just open new bag of filters. This one's done airflow. With the arrow up, the air was coming from you can just see at this one, airflow up, the dirty thing was on the top. Kind of misleading, I would say, since it seems like the dirt was collected on the other side. But since it was like this on the old one, I put in the new one like this too. There. No, it looked done properly. I put it back. Here it's done up, so this should be the upside. And just put it in here. There. Locked in place again. Now the only thing I need to do, put this one in here. You see the locket up there? The opening up here. Get that one to go in. And then we have one other for the other side. So just have to do the same on this side. Yeah, yeah. On the other side, I was doing it wrong. I have to have the small part up on the other side. So let's do it like that here too. And I get a big plier. There! With this one, there's no problem. It jumped in where it's supposed to be. Here I should have been cleaning a little, so I have to do that before I put in more, I think. But at least on this car it was even easier than most other Toyotas to get in. Since the filter is under here, you just have to remove the, of course everything was in here. Remove the two plastic holders. One was already removed here. And then it was just, it's fold down and stop in a wire here. Just opening, drag out the plastic holder, take out the filter, put in new, push it back, and only those back. Very, very simple. So, yeah. I hope you guys get the information you needed there. It's a very simple job. You don't have to wait for this. To see when you get a filter and things on a good price, then just change it. It helps for the air getting into you who's sitting in the car. Yeah. Thank you. Please come back. Please put a like. Please put a comment. Everything helps for getting more people seeing the videos. So thank you. See you later.